Okay, idinededicate ko po ito kay Miss Emily Magbanwa. Paalam na by Rachel Alejandro.
Nais ko lang malaman mo laman ng aking puso, baka di na mabigyan ng ibang pagkakataon na sabihin ito sa'yo. Hindi ko ito ginusto na tayo'y magkalayo, ngunit di magkasundo. Damdamin lang hindi magtagpo. Paalam na aking mahal, masakit isipin. Paalam na aking mahal, kay hirap sabihin na kahit nang magmahalan pa, puso't isipa'y magkaiba. Marindi lang laan sa isa't isa.
And another is I Will Always Love You.
And I'll always love you. Deep inside this heart of mine, I do love you. And I always need you. And if you ever change your mind, I still I will love you.
And another is what's that? I Love You Goodbye. Nakalimutan ko.
I love you goodbye. Needing someone when you love someone is the hardest thing to do. When you need someone as much as I love you, oh, I don't wanna leave you. Baby, it tears me up inside. I'm not the one you needed. I love you goodbye.
Miss Emily Magbanwa. Hope you like it.